Our next guest believes that your potential is endless and you are capable of achieving great things if you dream big and work hard. We can spread happiness around if we are happy in the first place, and changing the world starts with changing ourselves, is what she strongly believes. So let's welcome our next guest for today, Miss Pallavi Deshpande. She is a Gen Next trainer, a happiness coach, and a public speaking coach. So, a very warm welcome to you, Pallavi, and thank you for joining in this show today.
Hi Rashmi, thank you so much for having me here on this special day. Firstly, I want to wish you and all the women who are listening to us right now a very happy Women's Day.
Thank you, Pallavi. What are your thoughts on happiness, and especially for women? What message would you like to send across on this special day?
Like Rashmi, we all know, and it's a very fundamental thing. Everyone wants to be very happy in life. But how many of us really work towards it and making it a priority of our life? Right? Happiness is a very internal thing, but most of the times, what we do, we end up giving lots of importance to external situations, people, and other things, which really actually doesn't matter, but we give more importance to it. So it's the sense of happiness is something which is a sense of inner well-being and very fundamental to have a very productive and purposeful life. And definitely everybody knows that it is very good for our overall health. But I have definitely come across lots of women in my life who have kept themselves at the last in their priority list. So what I feel is, I don't know how many of them agree, and some of them disagreed also. What I feel is they need to reverse the order. That means they have to keep themselves at the top of the list and then followed by other important things. Uh, it is not about being selfish at all. It's not at all being selfish if you're keeping yourself at the top. The reason why you have to be at the top of the list is because it is the foundation of everything else you do and with everyone you be with. My favorite quote I always say is, you can't pour from an empty cup. So it all starts with you. You are the base, and it just like a building. If the base is strong, then what you build on this is going to be super strong. So I feel the gift what God has given us, which is actually priceless. This is priceless, and shouldn't we invest more time on ourselves in self-reflection or self-introspection, knowing our self-worth, what really matters to us? So that's what I feel. Invest little more time in knowing yourself. What do you really want? What makes you happy? Yeah.
Absolutely, Pallavi. I think you have brought about a very simple but important point out that lady needs to keep herself happy. So, would you like to share some tips and remedies as a happiness coach on how a woman can keep herself happy and the entire family happy thereafter?
um, the things which I practice. I strongly believe that you have to teach what you preach. So I have definitely practiced these, and I strongly believe, hope it also works for other women. The first tip what I want to give is, no matter what, you must be grateful for the people and things you have in your life. Practice the power of gratitude every single day to attract joy and happiness. So then the second one would be, most of the women, they stop learning after certain age or time or situations or whatever. You must be a lifelong student. I strongly believe that whatever it is, have some purpose, learn something new, a skill. Maybe you don't have to master the skill, but just for the fun of it, you'll feel more excited and have enthusiasm to learn new things. That excitement should be there. Don't stop learning anything which you like. If you're interested, even if you're not interested, try something new. There's nothing wrong and nothing to lose.
Very,
Yeah, and be physically active and socially connected. physical, what do you say, physically being active is definitely very important. Everybody knows what are the advantages. And yeah, socially connected is, if you connect with lots of people, talk to them, and especially like-minded people, you'll be more enthusiastic and happy. Because you'll get to discuss the topics which you like. And one most important thing, I think this is the first tip I have ever got when I started working way back 15 or 18 years back. Don't always have the victim mindset and try to blame others for your happiness. Take charge of your happiness, and then you will see that you'll come out as an amazing person.
Thank you so much, Pallavi, for joining us today on this special day and giving in your valuable inputs. We really appreciate it. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Rashmi, and it was a pleasure being here. Good luck to you and good luck to all the women. Stay awesome and happy. Thank you.